good players that they've brought in at Kaizer Chiefs, quality Sereno as well.
Yes.
So
Mara lo ikhanda.
that's the
We
spoke about it. We spoke about it.
ngishaka kanjani lekhanda lalo yamuntu man.
Fun.
Unokuthi ibhola lidlala nje. Orlando Rave. Orlando Pirates right now. Basase ku race or Kabuyelo ibuyela ngale and ungakhohlwa it's a new edition ye Betway a Premiership nomkotla and lezi Sundowns phela ziuchwayela umkotla.
For me Jabu, parents are the biggest disappointment.
AmaZulu is doing well. Is then bahleli ku number 6 manje. uArthur just won first game yakhe as a head coach. Yeah. Remember they were co-coaching noVusumuzi. uVusumuzi bathi ubhala incwadi encane.
Lento ye-co-coaching.
Bathi ubhala incwadi encane. Yeah. Bathi uVusumuzi ubhala incwadi encane. Yeah. Wathi hey lalelani. Kunenkinga eyiningi. Sanibonani ma South Africa mahle, sanibonani ma Africa mahle. Sibuyile futhi. This is Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski ringers bafethu. Yeah, siyabonga nje ukuthi sithola ithuba lokubuya futhi bafethu sizosipana and do what we love. As you know ukuthi JMDS it's about triple E, entertain, educate and engage. Sisayibambe kanjalo bafethu kodwa just ukunitshela nje Jens ukuthi why besi away for the past 2 months. Yeah no la igoli bafethu ibanesandla bayatshontsha man. Bayatshontsha yeah, unfortunately sivelelwe into ebhlungu yabona sile sagcekezelwa la si store khona equipment yethu, so we lost our cameras but besithi nje sinazise yabona bafethu njengoba nazi ukuthi siyan respecta ama followings wethu, we respect you and we respect your opinions and we try to engage as much as we can nani. So besithi nje kubalulekile ukuthi sinazise ukuthi ya besivelelwe into ebhlungu kodwa uNkulunkulu bafethu khona namandla. We've managed ukuthi singa give up nathi as a team, you know, and strive, you know, to get back into doing what we love, you know, which is doing Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis, shuffling Diski ringers bafethu. And as I'm sure nile nabona nani over the weekend on all my socials and JMDS social media, we've just announced a new partnership and a budget bafethu. Hey bafethu sesine partnership bafethu. Siyasebenza. Yeah no we like to take this opportunity to thank budget for believing in our vision and for believing in what we want to achieve as JMDS. And it's not only just a partnership. Mina as Jabu Mahlangu, I'm also an affiliate, but also JMDS and budget. We are one thing, bafethu. So we like to appreciate and thank budget for giving us this opportunity. Njengoba before ngizofaka knowledge. Or it's ngimfake kuqala knowledge
ngifake
uzaqedela ithi ngizoze ngiqedile indaba mfana ntwana. By the way, I'm your host uJabu Mahlangu, Shuffle the Pack aka Ngwana Wathwenya. Angihambi ngiyi1 la bafethu, niyazi ngiphethe isikhokho esikhokhelwayo. Knowledge ntwana
Kunjani Javas?
Boy.
Finally we are back mfana. Finally we are back.
Mara
it's been long mfethu, it's been long. Let me introduce myself. It's Busiso Sense Mahlangu, a co-host yala ku JMDS. We've been away for a very long time bafethu, but through the grace of God we are back. Nina intola boya sizonibamba
nina
but Jabu ezinye izinto ama blessing in disguise.
Yeah.
Uyangithola. We lost our cameras, but through the grace of God we managed ukuthi sithole I sponsorship, if I may put it that way. Budgets, they came through for us, and I also want to say thank you guys, thank you Budget for partnering with us, and hopefully this relationship will go a long way. And ama JMDS, please be with us sikhuleni nayo ilontuzana iBad Jets. But yeah, Jab, I'm very happy to be back on the camera again. Sizo discuss indaba zebhola,
Yeah.
which is something that we love so much.
Exactly.
Khuluma ngendaba zebhola. I've been itching watching amanye podcast abanye abantu bakhuluma ngebhola, and I'm sitting at home, people are asking me, guys, where are you? But yeah, guys, we are back. Tselani nalaba bangayibukelanga le episode ukuthi we are back, they must come back and support us again. Siqhubekeni izokhula le podcast yethu. Sure mntana.
Yeah, and before sizohlafuna indaba ze-league yabona ndoda, I think manje sekusele amanye ama-teams adlale 20 games, amanye adlale 16, 19, 20, so kusho ukuthi sekusele almost 10 games
Yeah.
ku-league, and hey ilokho sazoyihlafuna singene kuyo mdladla ukuthi kwenzakalani so far, si-reflected to, you know, the first half of the season. But before siya lapho, because bafethu izinto zimnandi manje, Bad Jet is in the house.
Iwe.
And kulama episode azayo nizosibona sizobranda kamnandi, logo yethu ye-Bad Jet nelogo ye-GMDS sizoba mtororo,
Everything
sibe tuzu,
nala,
everything
yonke.
izoba
Yeah.
izoba tuzu. But before singene endabeni mfana, ithi intshele ke bafethu, this video is brought to you by Bad Jets, our new home for exclusive insights, new level soccer predictions, and the best game action. Grab your 125% first deposit match up to 1,000 rand, plus a 10 rand welcome offer and 50 free spins. Hit the link in the description and bet on all the PSL games to kickstart your winning streak. Kusazoba mnandi. Ntwana,
Hayi kuzoshuka mfana.
azi lesa sikhathi asithi first 10 games, it looked like Pirates is gonna push the defending
Sundowns,
champions,
yes.
Mamelodi Sundowns,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
everyone was saying, not saying ukuthi mhlambe they will win it. Obviously they want to win it, but because of Ribeiro, what he has built Orlando Pirates, you know, and being the cup specialist, it brought a lot of hope,
Yeah.
especially to amabhakaniya ukuthi ayazini le ukuthi Sundowns izowina ngabuma 12 points nani bayayiceda.
Yeah.
But mangibhekile mina, as we are shooting today, some of the games ayadlala vandag, so maybe when we release this episode later in the week kuzobe sekudlaliwe,
changes,
kuzobe
yeah.
kunama changes nakuloko. But what's your take ku-Orlando Pirates right now? Basase ku-race or kabuyelo ibuyela ngale? And ungakhohlwa, it's a new edition ye-Betway, a premiership nomkotla, and lezi Sundowns phela ziwujwayele umkotla.
Sidila ngawo.
Yeah, lezi sidila ngomkotla, and 20 meter manje and the
Yeah.
price. So angazi mdladla, what's your take wena overall nje nge-league? Obviously we will discuss about also other teams who are doing well, like abo Sekhukhune, abo Polokwane City, who've been good top 3 for a very long time. Noma manje sebayehlile nyana baku number 5, but they are still
They've been
in
consistent,
Yeah, they've
nyana,
been
at least,
very
yeah.
consistent.
For me, Jabu, parents are the biggest disappointment because we they brought the excitement makali season, and not only to amabhakaniya but to every South African othanda ibhola.
Yeah.
Everyone is tired of his Sundowns. Not that we hate what Sundowns are doing. We all love what Sundowns are doing, but we wanted the competition. Sundowns manje, they've turned league into a farmers league. We know we're winning Sundowns and ngama point up by. But when this season started, the Pirates brought the competition. We also they had the players, or they still have the players, but it proved to us ukuthi you need squad depth. I don't think Pirates has it depth. Yes, they have maybe the first starting 13, 14 players.
Kahle
And then,
kahle.
yeah. So I think it downfall yabo ibe lapho. And that's the biggest disappointment for me. Ukuthi the way baqale ngakhona, the way they've pushed Sundowns to what is happening now, it's very disappointing for me, Nantwana. Very, very disappointing. I thought they would push Sundowns to the last game. But by the looks of things now, if you look at the log now, I think Palidang are 18 points. Sundowns.
Yeah, Pirates not 36.
Yeah.
Sundowns not 54.
We understand. So the league is gone, in fact.
You should go to Yambira.
Sell 9 games. Do you see Sundowns losing a game, maybe 3 games? Yes, the Pirates still have, I think, 3 games in hand. Mara, those are not points in the bag.
Game,
but there is not guaranteed, especially when they are inconsistent, manch. They just lost to Ilontuzan,
Gallants, yeah.
We understand. So it proves to you, Gucci, you cannot say lama games in hand, ama points in the bag. We understand. So for me now, I would say, I baba disappointment kakhulu.
I would Mdladla, maybe some of the things is but distepile in their camp. Indaba lezi, especially indaba ka Saling.
Yeah.
Because it's a big talking point. Where is Saling? Mkhumbuza mina but where uphatho athi where is Jabu? Sidlala neSundowns athi Jabu, wherever you are, please come back home. Uyasikhawaza bro kids. Hey my friend,
so ucabanga ukuthi yiyo le
Jabu ukhule bengasukudlala. Ngiyanibona nje ngiyakhuluma. Uphatho Pierre ndothi TV. Shukudlule kuzibamba. Ande lelo viki le Jimmy bengivutha vele besodlala neSundowns vele. Bengivutha vele. Ayithi bahlanyiswe nayi lo ukuthi bengivutha ngithi vele ngiyibulala iSundowns. Nga decide otherwise ngama last minute. But coming back to the issue Ntwana. Don't you think uthi mhlambe nayo iba disturbile mdlali because big ama speculations amaningi like itori eziningi ukuthi bekumela hambile iPirates beyise imlungisela ama visa to Al Ahly if I'm not mistaken, which is the, with all due respect to Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, Al Ahly is the biggest team in the African continent. It's a fact. With all due respect, awucabanga ukuthi mhlambe that issue nayo ike destabilizer I camp and the planning because he's a very important player for Orlando Pirates, that boy.
Yeah, no, we must not take it for granted. One player who can influence a team. You look at Manchester City, one player left, Rodri got injured, Manchester City collapsed. So it can happen with the player one, team very hlakazeka. But in case ye Pirates, I think ukuba no Saling bekazobanceda ku squad depth sabo, because I think mina Pirates shower lento le. They don't have enough players that can come in and influence the game. I mean, on the right lentwana le uncoach is still a young boy. So if Saling was still there now competing nale boy le, they would bebazopushana and you know which you are able to rest lentwana uncoach adlala Saling and still bring equality yakhe and help the team win, because he's someone okorayo Saling we are influence nje game kakhulu. So absence yakhe nayo I can say nayo contributed to this, but mina the main thing in Pirates, I think squad management yabo iye bashayile
kanjani.
They are overplaying amanye ama players. I mean, you play weekend, you play during the week, you play weekend,
and you play still, cups, you play Champions League.
We understand, and you still play the very same players. You play Umaswangan, you play Urile, you play Unkocha. I mean, they're going to squad sabo asiko strong enough. Yes, the starting 11 or 12, 13 is strong, but they don't have same quality. That is why Urila zologa dlala, and from yakhe ntwana uyayibona kancane ukuthi
idropile.
Iyadropanga
like badly because he still assists there and there, but I think it's a good point le ukhuluma ngayo. Sorry ukukhatha mdlala nami. I mean, there were many games where Pirates were winning convincingly, like nale 8-1. You know, why you still keep your key player to play 90 minutes.
Exactly.
And this boy, I think he played almost all the games. Fatigue is
umshaya.
So I agree with you with the technical team Pirates somehow manage squad sabo. it's their downfall
It's their downfall, mfethu.
because they can beat any team any day labantu.
With the players they have quality players, Joe. They have quality players. For me, bekumele bayipushe Sundowns to the last game.
So kusho ukuthi ispan saka Ribeiro singaba sengcupheni this season. I'm just asking nje
Yeah, ungayisho lento lo. You know why I'm saying that? Because he's been at the team for how long now? 3?
Almost 3 to 4 years.
Yes.
3 years, okay.
Yes. So he's been building. Wabuilda kahle kamnandi, wawina ama-cup competitions, but manje amabhakani afuna ileague amabhakani. Yes, uwinile ama-cup.
Iholela ufihla ntaka.
Ngithola ubuildile kamnandi.
Liki iholela ufihla. Yeah, no ngiyakuthola
Yeah,
ntaka.
so ubuildile enough, wawina ama-cup, that's good enough. Bakunikile i-chance. Now le season lesithi okay manje we are going for the league. Uyaflop.
Okay. Then what's your highlight nje currently kule Betway Premiership, because manje mangibheka ilokho mfana every team plays so for something, and uma ungachecka one win ikhona ukukwisa 3 or 4 positions up,
Yeah.
and one lose ikhona ukususa from a certain position ikise 2 step or 3 step back. So what's your highlight when overall, and amaphi nje mhlawumbe amanye ama team nje mdladla, because there are other teams who were very consistent, who did well with less resources compared to your so-called big threes or big teams, uyangithola?
So for me now, I would say Polokwane City.
Yeah, Coach Put, Iban Put, ne?
Yeah.
Yes, as layout
Yeah,
today.
he did very well with the resources are now and where he is on the log. I think he did very well, and also is Kukune.
Yeah.
Ulontuzane lapho Kaitano no Siema. I think they did very well. They're working and this Kukune is Banama player. If you look at their team, they've signed good players.
Petty cream bon.
Yeah, Petty cream labantlaba. So those two teams for me now this season are the most teams unimpressive. Kukune, Polokwane City.
Yeah.
Obviously Sundowns angifuna ukukhuluma ngayo.
Yeah, Sundowns no bayashaya lawo.
Yeah.
Stellenbosch at some point sesuku number 3 currently.
If you remember Ntwana makqala le season le, I asked you ukuthi who's your top 5, and you had obviously Sundowns, Pirates, and you had Stellenbosch, Cape Town City,
Yeah.
SuperSport angisakhumbula or TS Galaxy.
Yeah. Ngoba
So mina
nayo
bephikisana TS Galaxy, SuperSport angithi. So those teams Stellenbosch for mina ba disappointed kule season.
mara baku number 3 manje njengoba sishuta currently and kuyadlalwa namhlanje. So usho ukuthi disappointment.
Okay.
Mhlawumbe mdladla, because remember bebaqala nabo ukuparticipate ku continental football,
Yeah.
which they did well,
which is a big point.
which they did well because all our 3 teams they've qualified
Okay.
for the knockout stages.
Yeah.
And if you checked na ku CAF Confederation, they started by losing two games.
2 games, yes. And we thought bayophuma in.
Then I thought, okay, these are young boys. It's fine because I did one of their games, CAF.
Yeah.
I thought, man, it's a good learning curve. I mean, for into analyze, no, you can't ask for more. Yeah, but
And
they
especially
turn
they
things
lost
around.
my players up higher to
Every day,
bigger teams,
every
yeah.
season,
Yeah.
they lose. Nalentwana uTitus izohamba. Yambona is very consistent, very important. He's assisting, he's scoring. At least in 2-3 games, and we assist.
Yeah.
Uyabona?
No, I think we're right lapho. Now that you are saying it, ngiyayibona nami ukuthi actually they are doing fairly well. Obviously, I did not consider the fact ama players abawaluzile and ukuthi badlale eAfrica.
Batravule
Which
ma
is a
into
big,
entsha
big,
futhi.
yeah, with
Yeah.
this squad lesabanazo intwana
Indoda,
encane.
indoda.
Yeah, actually they are doing well. Baku number 3 manje. And yeah, but for mina into engizoyisho ukuthi ilontuzana iOrlando Pirates njengoba ushilo, they are the biggest disappointment for the season for me. Zivala lapho in terms of ama teams lawa aphezulu besikhulume ngawo i-top 5 yami.
And then AmaZulu is doing well. Is then bahleli ku number 6 manje. uArthur just won first game yakhe as a head coach.
Yeah.
Remember they were co-coaching noVusumuzi uVusumuzi bathi ubhala incwadi encane
lento co-coaching
bathi ubhala incwadi encane yeah bathi uVusumuzi ubhala incwadi encane
yeah
wathi hey lalelani nginenkinga eyiningi
personal
wathi no hey kina lebathatha
akatsheli var
yabona so ngifuna ukukubuza wena as a coach coach says ake nawe man ake man Marcus ake ngiyibeke kahle coach sense vele ngifuna ukukubuza lento ye co-coaching because it's something engiyibona angazi I stand to be corrected. It's something engiyibona la eSouth Africa co-coaching iyasipana a coach as coach in your view.
For me I think ukuqhatha abantu.
Nami ngiyibona kanjalo
I mean we are all students of the game. We all did our coaching badges and when you grow as a coach you will have your own ways or the own way ofuna ukwenza ngayo izinto in your own team.
Yes.
So masiye teamini lapha basichaza sebathi mina nawe we are co-coaches. Unendlela yakho yokwenza izinto ngendlela yami yokwenza izinto.
Angisho bathi now you must
forward. Sizoclasha somewhere somehow.
Angisho bathi no you must put the brand first and the badge.
Yeah, but the team now, why don't they say okay, Sankasha so you but when you'll be the head coach, I'll be the assistant.
Izoba ngcono kanjalo.
And then I will choose mina mabathi ngiassistant whether I take the job or not.
Because into engiyibonile futhi mdladla angazi ukuthi ngibona right but sometimes ngikubona kuyo lento ye coaching. Team mayiwina kahle kunalo ohleza khuluma yena
makalungisa
kubese kuthunyelwa lo munye ivari or ngibona right nantwana
kungaka notice
kunalaba nje makunama disappointment bathumela bona lapha kukamera
wena wena lapho
khuluma lapha angikakabi right mina mental yazi le game isangiphazamisile awuye wena no mina ukuthi ngiyibona kanjalo and I agree with you ayiphele la mfethu
but it's working lapha ku Sikhukhune with Khayithano noSiyema.
But uSiyema is a head coach lapha.
Oh they are not co-coaches.
I don't think so but I stand to be corrected but uSiyema is been noma kudlalwa kubhalwa head coach. Remember igame mayicala babavezi line up nani abathi co-coach normally they say it na ku TV bayayibhala akungakayiboni ithi co-coaching ngisabone ithi head coach even na kuma team sheet mayidlala mabasithumela ama team sheet maybe ngiyaspana SABC it says head coach.
All right okay no yeah then I shouldn't I stop lento yama co-coaching man.
But I think he has brought something besides Leo lento I think. What's your take? I think he has brought something and experience. I told you, look, coach, I clap njenge Kaizer Chiefs, and which I feel mina ukuthi mhlawumbe if they've given him more time futhi because he knows the culture. Yabo and intwana ezibhaya lezi ezidlalayo ezipromote zonke abomdu abo imfundo intwana zakhe.
Ngithi ngiyalapho nami. I think for me now Ata he's a good coach. He's a very good coach because lento ishoyo of the players he promoted at Kaizer Chiefs. Intwana namanje ziyadlala and there's a potential and a very talented young boys. So kumazulu njengoba bamise lapha I think he's good with working with young boys as well. And athi uyambona ngathi umuntu strict. Angimazi the close but ngiyambona mawumbhekile ukuthi la out
serious. Nambe ngikwathela ndoda mangishama ewall ngithi ngiyabuya ejimini ngimthole ndoda ndoda ayena vele.
So I wish him all the best namlapha kumaZulu and unfortunately for the other coach Ukanu it's unfortunate we don't know the situation lapho kwenzakaleni but for me I think kube iclash yama yendlela yokusebenza I wouldn't say yama egos but I would say kube nje ne clash yokuthi mina ngisebenza kanje wena usebenza kanje masifika lapha siya clash in terms of how we want to do things so it's an unfortunate situation but ngiyathemba Ukanu uzasithola isipani somewhere else uhlala sithola anyways
and then smooth mdladla Kaizer Chiefs ucabanga ukuthi compared to last year how's the performance how's the building or the rebuilding of Kaizer Chiefs under Coach Nabe who was allowed to bring his
bring
own
players.
technical players and technical team,
team,
which it was a problem for Kaizer Chiefs to do that in Kuma previous coaches.
Yes. I would say Amakosi fans, please be patient with the coach. It's his first season. If you look at Kaizer Chiefs last season and this season, in terms of players, they've brought in better players. They've brought in very good players.
Yeah, going to sign it Dotley, Ubano Cross,
Ntwari,
Miguel, Mtwari, and then lately ulumfana lo ucele no Lollipop.
No Lollipop. He's brought in also Njabulo Blom.
Yes.
There's a quite few good players that they've brought in at Kaizer Chiefs. Quality Serino as well.
Yes.
So
Mara lo ikhanda.
that's we spoke about it. We spoke about it.
Le khanda lalo yamuntu man.
Fana.
Unokuthi ibhola lidlala nje. Alandure. I feel Alandure a complain amkhombe so. Because namanje mawungabheka we cost Chiefs kula game lawo njoba angekho. Let's be honest ngokuthi ngale behavior yakhe, and it needs to change because we can't be saying hayi uso, because I've heard ukuthi naku Sundowns because so then he must be disciplined njengoba i South African player Ujabu Pule or Rusbanban will be disciplined. Maka behavior across the team, so because he's one of the most high paid players. I don't know the numbers, but I can believe he's a senior player. He's a senior player. So this behavior, I mean, I'm challenging him. He must stop this behavior. Or they must just release him and bring people who will put the team first and respect the team. Exactly. That's my own view. But in terms of talent, no doubt.
I mean, Jabu, we spoke about this Makali season when he was going there. Sati, the only problem it's his discipline.
Yes.
And he's proving us right now. Ngalinda by discipline. Imagine him, Pella, you must remember, Unabi is still building a team. And they're giving him a chance at Kaizer Chiefs. Nama supporting our boy na was patient no Nabi. Because I think they understand which he's still building a team. He's brought in the players. Now, Inte Salayo, as many next season, maybe they'll sign 2-3 players again, and then
release
they will get used to
release
some. Yes. And then maybe they will start to gel as a team and understand what the coach wants to do. But for me, in terms of playing, angaka understand unabi ukuthi istyle sakhe sokudlala isiphi. Yabo?
Yeah.
Not until lately with when they brought in the young boy, Lumfana Lo, not the young boy, Ucele. I think they are playing better with him in the midfield. This is a fantastic player, Joe.
Ulethani Ucele in your view,
He's akasabudlala mfethu. You see, for a team to play, Joe, you need a good number 6, a good CDM.
Yeah.
And he brings that. He's able. Akasabuya lapha yolanda lapha kulama defender wakhe ayi2. Alande, acollecte, adlalisa play. He brings in abomtu mele baze nabo baze angathanda yabona umuntu njani. He likes to play. Sometimes akeza azodlala nocelela lathinta ibhola. Let's keep the ball for a longer period. Gain the confidence. And they have the players. Manje, when looking at them, imagine if Usirino is also there.
Lollipop, he looks. He brought some energy.
They do have the players now. They just need to gel, man.
No, that's true. So, Coach Nabi, they must still give him a fair chance.
Yeah. And abantu understand. So bangabi impatient manje sebakhohli ukuthi bayabuild sebafuna ukuthi manje sebafuna indlu iphelele. No, be patient.
Because ucele mdladla ngale game eSundowns, Chiefs lost 1-0, but I think he had a good game in terms of bossing that midfield. Not for too long, because obviously it's Sundowns, you can't boss it for too long because they are too experienced, they are too talented, they are just on another level. They will catch you. But I agree with you. What I like, personally, is Masisi move. He plays one touch, two touch, simple but very effective. And now it will also allows players like Lollipop, Umobi to be free, manje, to do their thing, taking on players with confidence, knowing good. Even if maybe anything happens, maybe they lose the ball, at least
Inecover, imnandi
there's a stability
from- yeah.
because nathi in our generation we had AC Mbutho, we had Tinashe Ningomash, Jemba
Yeah.
beyithi le Javas shangisho ngomlomo khruti it is Javas, don't come back Javas, I will take everything here.
Yeah.
You understand once you have
Yeah.
abantu abanjalo behind you, Joe, it makes you focus on your job.
This is to attack.
It's to attack
Yeah.
and make sure ukuthi there's a final product ekugcineni. So Chiefs right now iku number 8 ne
Yeah.
number 8, so bagcine ku
10 last
10
season.
last
I think.
season out of the top 8, so they still have nabo they still have 10 games to go. They are playing also nabo tonight. Joba sishilo bafethu as we are not shooting live, we are shooting today, but there's PSL games that we'll be playing. So once we release the episode later in the week, izinto zizobe sezitshintshile. So we just want to emphasize so that abantu ba understand ukuthi we are shooting today. It's just a podcast, it's not a live television. So Mdladla, which okay, unabi there siyamyeka. Cape Town City bengibabalile ku top 5 yam
Yeah.
earlier on.
Yes.
But they've disappointed me, and they never fully recovered or got a proper replacement for Umayo, in my view.
Yeah.
Yantwana Umayo abatholanga. Yes, lentwana lo mfana waseNamibia lo umfishan lo
yeah.
Chipez or something. Umnandi lo mfana, but Umayo
rough
is
on
a
the
typical
edges,
striker.
yeah.
Umayo is a goal poacher. Yeah, but I think nalapho azange bakhona ukuthola leyo replacement, and then Eric Tinkler, he was not doing well. Njengoba bazithola baku number 10
Yeah.
manje with bana baku number 10 with 21 points,
Yeah.
which last season they were Guma top 5 at this point. You understand? So Umushin came as a Gonjin technical director,
Yeah.
but bamcela yabona, because I know ukuthi he has a good relationship futhi ne management Cape Town City vele, then on a personal level yabo, bamcela ukuthi endod sicedelele nje le season sizoletha ucoach. First 2 games udlala against
Shama
his
big
former
team.
his former team Chiefs and Pirates.
Yeah.
Ubagaqa phansi induku. Hayi ngiyasho ngithi ya no. Zimbabwe. After that, I think they've lost 6 games and draw somewhere.
Yeah.
They haven't won in a long time, and things are not looking good.
Yeah,
also for him.
For a Cape Town City to have won out of 20 games, they've won how many? They've won 6. They've won 6. It's very disappointing, especially if you look at ama players abawasainile. They signed Umkocho. They signed Hashim Domingos. They signed Umakaringe.
Yo, i-cream leyo. I-cream lento okhuluma
Experienced
ngayo.
PSL players.
Experienced campaigners, exactly.
Uyangithola? And they also had ama players who were there who were doing very well. So I think for a management Cape Town City, when they brought in Abom Coach and all this, they were gunning for the league or at least top 3 or Champions League spots.
Yeah, yes.
But they wanted to be up there.
To play
for them
continental
to be laba
football.
corner with the quality of players they have, with infrastructure that they have, and the support Cape Town City is very disappointing. And I can't pinpoint one problem abanayo ngisho ngithi this is the problem, but I thought when Mushin came in and he won the games, I thought he would steer the ship again kahle, but again ama problems wabo aqhubekile. So it tells you ukuthi there might be ama problems behind the scenes esingawazi thina, because for Eric Tinkler naye ukuthi ahambe angawinanga ama games that much aluze kangaka, Eric Tinkler is a very good coach.
And he has done well for the club.
And also Mushine Churgal, very experienced coach naye.
Quality.
So for them ukuthi kube so lapha, I don't know what it is, Joe, but we must investigate isithole ukuthi what is the real problem.
That's
lapha.
very true. Sizo
Yeah.
investigate. Yeah, that's very true, because we need to know the deeper things. Twana sesiyahamba manje siyale phansi, but before logo SuperSport Tamina is struggling
Joe.
this year.
Yeah.
Marumo Gallantsi hot and cold. Ayashisa bayabanda. Yabona. La uthi bayashisa bavele babande cold yabona.
Yeah.
laphayana mani I think from number 10 from Cape Town City ina 21 points ukuya phansi, Golden Arrows ina 20, SuperSport 20, Marumo 19, Richards Bay 18, Magezi 17, Royal AM Nkosi yami angifuni nokukhuluma la. Ya lana ngayikhuluma lento le ngokuthi uma oledi kumele athole abantu abaproper fana ngayikhuluma abanye bacabanga ukuthi mhlambe nginomona for umuntu wesifazane unemali kanti I'm talking because of I'm a football person and we've seen entrepreneurs dala if uyakhumbula uyakhona le Hotman le Dynamos yakhumbula Dynamos bekuyimpintshi kaBob Steak futhi ngiyamkhohlwa
ngiyamkhumbula
angazi why ngikhohlwa lo bekuyithentrepreneur yet money but bekangakwazi this business, this kind of business because this business number one, if you don't have enough sponsors mdladla izokushaya ephakethini yabona but it's fine. It league say delete naye Royal AM they have put a league into distribute. I also saw Izolo on television they were interviewing one lady who's a women's journalist. He said the defending champions go Hollywood Super Bet League le yamantombazana. Sundowns was supposed to play in Royal AM, they didn't play, which means now Royal AM it distracted even women's soccer and they run on fast. Ngibona izolo it's there.
No man, but disrupting ezibhaya man labantu be Royal AM. If you look at Maritzburg, they took their team away from Maritzburg by Isale Durban
after 27 years bada.
Because what happened, sponsorship, they took away sponsorship sabo from the municipality basinikeza Royal AM. Baba qoshile Maritzburg and they've been there for a very long time.
27 years, I can tell you. 27
and remember
years.
The atmosphere ma Maritzburg, family
Friday.
environment, kugcwele Friday, everyone is there. Nice environment ma yodlala Maritzburg. That thing is gone now because of what lama entrepreneurs okhuluma ngawo.
Yeah, no, but coming to league sesizoyivala mdladla le because kunama topic nyane ngifuna siwathasha phi. But uyabona ke ukuthi from number 7 kuMagezi number 15 ina 17 points mayiwina yoba na 20 uyabona ukuthi iyakuphi kuboma number 11 10. It will depend also kulama team aphezulu kwawo ukuthi ama results kanjani. Now the interesting one for me ne Joba ngishilo ukuthi bafethu sishuta namhlanje it's Wednesday kunama game. Golden Arrows coach Manqoba Mnqithi ubuyele ku Golden Arrows for the third time. He left Golden Arrows I think 2013 uPitso Makamdonsa and they dominated African football, they achieved everything. Now ubuyele ku Golden Arrows first game yakhe Sundowns.
A tough one.
Njengo coach wena mdlali. Yena mentally uyodila kanjani ngalama emotions mdlala because he's been there from 2013 and he won everything the Sundowns. You understand? And la bekazitshela ukuthi seka head coach 6 months bamcomplicate.
Yes.
And angakabi bad according to everyone must pay the way bekudlala ngakhona. But the Sundowns they want Sundowns bafuna enye into but so very interesting feature there.
For Yena Umanqoba is going to be an emotional one, but he must not make emotional decisions. Yena he knows the team is going to be emotional for him to go back out and Sundowns. Team abenayo for a very long time is over emotional for him, but in terms of his sponsor, he must not make emotional decisions. He knows the Sundowns, he knows how they play, so he must go there and practice the caution nyana. You can't just go because you are as a Sundowns and say you will go pound for pound in a Sundowns. It's okay. So he's okay, fan. So hence I'm saying he must not go emotional and he must be a coach and he must strategize. Playing Sundowns, you must know your players. We are the strength sabo, play compact, with like transition football.
Yeah, but for me, I think he's gonna add a lot of great experience experience ku Golden Arrows manje
yeah.
compared to lo amancoba lawyer
What
before
back then?
20 waqala and the second time not ukuthi ngithi he was a bad coach no he's always been a good coach and une knowledge of football laba bayakena idisk yabona but manje lento ayiphethe I think for iAmazulu mdladla I think that's for Golden Arrows I mean
yes.
sorry for Golden Arrows I think that's a good move.
No, he's got the experience. Definitely, he's got the experience, and I think he will help the Arrows. He will definitely help them. They are number 11 now, I think. And I've watched the Arrows. They do have fairly good players. I think he will try to help them. Maybe for me, a good position is the top 8 with Uma Ngoba being in charge in the team. Top 8 position, I think bazoyibamba.
And then lastly ngendaba ze league because kunezinye indaba nje engifuna nje sithi ukuzithi ukuzihlafuna nje kancane
zalo umfunayo
hayi angifuni umuntu ngikhuluma indaba mina bafethu please don't forget to like share and hit that notification bell so that you can get all the latest updates as eJabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski Ringers sisayihlafuna le ndaba ye league nje it's only our views bafethu we're not attacking anyone we're not bashing anyone football is a game of opinions yabona and opinion yaka sense I right ne opinion yami I right kimi yabona but we can just maybe if asizwani be civil and then sibeka ama facts sibonisana then ngifuna ukuza kulebe ngikhohlwe ngikhumbula manje isikhukhune United uSiyema I've heard ukuthi bambekela because but if he lost against AmaZulu no there's a game he played man before
yeah
he won 2 games in a row he played during the week on Tuesday but if beka lose le game beka hamba and but ubaba Malachi chairman ukhala ngokuthi i-team ayikho consistent but lo muntu lo mdladla uku number 4
basho kanjalo number 3 mabadala
yeah basho kanjalo so before ngikhona just wanted your take ukuthi usho kanjani ukuthi umuntu ubeka number 3 manje usase number 4 currently yabo ukuthi the team is not consistent and vele if beka ngatholanga ama results kulama previous 2 games mhlambe by now kube sizwe bathi uEgriTinkla bathume kanje nongizwile bathume kanje mara mfana is it fair?
I don't think it's fair mfethu I really don't think it's fair looking at their position on the log mfethu I don't think it's fair
yini ngaba yini mhlambe mawucabanga no just I want your insights
okay maybe I'll play the devil's advocate and speak for the chairman yayo iLontuzana isikhukhune maybe he looked at the investment that he has made the players that he has brought in it's high quality players so maybe did not understand why they lost certain games khona amanye ama game mawuya lapho yabo ngiyane ama games you expect to win
but imagisi dlala ku PSL
yes that's the thing ukuthi amanye ama game they just think nje ukuthi
it must be a win
it must be a win uyangithola so maybe amanye disappointment afana nalawo abayenzela acosta aboSiyema but for me I think it's unfair ukuthi babayenze kanje they've done very well for themselves
angifuni ukuthi
I think they've done very well
and angifuni kuba controversial but some people kuma social media angisho iphumile le ndaba ayikhitshwa yimi nawe la uJames is out there uyabona ukuthi they are not happy and bambeke la vele if he lost those 2 games kube mhlawumbe sikhuluma a different story but now abanye ama fans sewathi hey our black coaches ngathi abatreatwa kahle because kuthiwa uEric Tinkler bathini konje allegedly uEric Tinkler is waiting for any wrong move yakasiyema and then uyangena so abantu bathi no vele ikhala man inoku inokuba iproblem I just want to take not ukuthi ube deep just nje you take on that ukuthi ivar vele la ngintwana
Yeah,
shoot about black coaches basathathelwa
yeah,
phansi.
iqiniso ukuthi mawudark you must work twice as hard as the other races. Mawudark kumele usebenze kanzima ukudlula wonke umuntu. I mean, Eric Tinkler, where he comes from, he did not do well. Uhambe lose amagame ababhaya.
Yeah, bye.
Uyangithola?
That's why balaba
Then you
khona.
have black coaches who are coaching here, and then ufuna ukuqosha laba who are doing well for you and bring someone who was losing elsewhere. Umlethe la kulento le enhle le uyibuildile. La what are you doing?
Hayi, okay, sesilapho kuleyo ndaba sesidlula. I'm disappointed, not disappointed. Ethingasho kanjalo ngisunkulunkulu. But inhliziyo yami ibhlungu ntwana on a personal level manje to hear indaba yaka Sipho Mbuli. The masesidlula indaba ezesikhukhuni.
Ayi le boy le mfethu. Yazi mawunga
Because izophela mfethu.
mawungadlala ama clips esiwadlalile la ntwana ngisikhuluma ngoSipho Mbule. Sokhuluma ngoSipho Mbule until nini mfethu? So ntwana siyamfavor ntwana. I think South Africa akuna player abafuna njengale ntwana le.
Ntwana cabanga makazothola makazongena kule cream yaka Hugo Bros ntwana.
So kumele mfethu kumele size senze nje. When I think you are the best one to talk about Sipho Mbule, because you know you've been there, you've been a star player.
Okay.
I think you are the best person ukuthi even if bambekela ukhulume naye one on one, maybe you can give him better advice, because for me I don't understand with so much talent and in South Africa yakuvuma yonke ndoda and you want to
and
play with your talent.
And remember isikhukhuni beseka frustrated phela ku Sundowns because game time, which is understandable. Their competition is too high, and not to say ukuthi bekangahluleka, because nangale ku Sundowns there were rumors ukuthi uyabona uza adle amanzi ogesi uyabona so la I thought ukuthi it was for him to think properly about his career, about his job, because ispan sakhe uyangithola. I thought ukuthi mina uyabona uzoqampa, it seems good he's been continuing with that. And let me talk to him. This camera ne, yeah, ntwana yami Sipho, I've worked nawe ku SuperSport United, and you know ukuthi sometimes bokuthi mangathi kunezinto ngathi azambi kahle, uStan used to tell me to come and speak to you and bengikhuluma nawe, because I was always at training sometimes. Bengikhuluma nawe ntwana yami, angukujudge. I know ukuthi kuba istar kuba nenyuku intwana, it's not an easy thing to deal with, and uyaba nenyuku ube star but ube ne depression. And abanye abantu bacabanga ukuthi mawugcoka amaGucci utravula in uhappy. Ifame iyodwa yakufakela depression intwana serious, or you can even want to take your life. But I'm saying to you boy, please ngiyacela ntwana yami, for your own sake intwana, usasene ball liningi intwana, usasene ball liningi, we still believe in you, I still believe in you, and le mistake oyenzile or lama mistake owenzayo ngiyacela ntwana bazogcine bangasakunikeza ama opportunities, and labantu ophila nabo ojiva nabo or in bazokushiya ntwana bazojiva nesinye style esikhuphukayo. So this is a brotherly advice, because inhliziyo yami ibhlungu ngiba emotional vele namanje mangikhuluma ngale ntwana, because I've been in this situation empilweni yami. That's why I can't judge mina anyone. I can't, because I know to be famous umncane ube nenyuku ube nabangani abaningi nabotheke nababhayi, you can't even control your own life. So ntwana yami, wake up.
But
Wake up ntwana yami, usasena a chance ntwana, but ama chance ayaphela. Yabona ipoint yami ile Sipho, ngikhuluma nawe direct on this show JMDS, because we care about you, your talent, and not only you, everyone, every football player, current football players, mina personally I care. That's why wherever I have to defend you, current players, whoever you, I don't defend a player the Chiefs or in, I defend any player. If someone or a former player maybe uber negative to the current players, I'm not trying to be a star here, but I'm saying, I'm showing them love. If ninenking about fitness personal, I'm not a psychologist, but my experience, it's there, and I've changed my life. Nami, it was not easy, it was hard. So you need to take a decision intwana yami obuzitshela ukuthi angeke ukhone uyithatha empilweni yakho, which is to quit alcohol mfana as soon as possible, because football udinga umzimba wakho. Awufani neartist eliculayo, uyabona ama artist ayangena estudio bafuna leyo vibe vele bayahasa, uyabona industry yakhona. Ebholweni intwana udinga umzimba wakho, and njengoba ulibele udamage kanje sizoba ne problem, but I wish you all the best ntwana yami.
Yeah,
Then ngiyadlula ntwana manje ngifuna ukuya kule case le yaka umongameli uDr Danny Jordan. Le ndaba le yazi ngwarishwa yini la
yeah.
akekho umuntu from the football fraternity, former players, your so-called legends, masters oyilandelelayo or concerned ukuthi I will understand if aga attend the court. The president is already in court. Uyabuyela ngo-August. You understand? But he's still in the office. Simtrasta kanjani umuntu ose court. Yabona mawakangena e-court, then we can say hayi but bafethu. I-NPA ithe they've got a strong case. That's NPA.
Yes.
They've got a strong case. But I'm saying to us footballers, Mahrutman, abadala kunathi before thina. Nisabani. Why singa raise voice say one? And uDanny Jordan, he has done a lot of good things.
Yeah.
For South African football. I can't take that away from him. But I'm saying personal, masoye court, phume office. And before again, baile baba ne a national executive meeting.
Yeah.
After the first court case, to attend. Some of the NEC members, they even brought igama laka Dr. Khoza ukuthi no angaba interim president ngapha, while we president I attender iKCI, which is fair. But I'm not saying it's fair ukuthi mhlambe bathi uIvan Khoza noma bangathi ubani, but sifuna abantu aba manje abazoba, I mean, look at imali trust fund yeFIFA ngizoyikhuluma. Uma Maria uyikhulumile ku in their program Catch Blood yini
Cut
Blanche.
yeah yona le on her own ways. And she was part of the executive member for a very long time.
Yeah.
Uthe when he asked Guma executive meetings about the accountability of the 600 million from Safa Legacy Trust Fund, which was a partnership with FIFA.
Yeah.
That's when they started having problems with her.
Okay.
That's what umama usho kanjalo. It's there. It's recorded. Ungayigoogle, it's there. It's not me. Uyasho lo mama.
So inyuku idliwe Java.
Inyuku idliwe yazi bayenzeni? Bathenge yazi kule ndawo le Vandervale. Lebe bathe basebenza world class.
Yeah.
I was
remember,
there.
Yeah.
I was there.
Yeah.
2 years ago. I was there physically. Laphana kungcolile uthiyami. Ama room wakhona awekho sharp. Uyangifuna start ngibuya la ngifuna ukuzibonela. Uzoyibona iSafa board but ibolile yandawo. There's only one artificial pitch, and let me tell you for that matter, before Makasa zongena, Uma Maria, he even said at some point ibanyana angisho bakhempela lapha vele all the develop under 20s, under 70s banyana uthi there was one time they called her but thina la ngeke sisaphinde sizolala la, and because mele simasilala siphushe imibhedo against the wall because kuyaphithizela ngathi kunama escort nyana futhi ebusuku ama under 20 ngathi anokuzimanzisa lapha. So why are we not really talking about it? Oh, like South Africa, you know vele ukuthi once you are politically connected, you can do whatever you want.
Yeah, Ntwana. I think first point yakho lebo question boyibuza ukuthi why angaphumi. I think a South African law says you are innocent until proven guilty.
Yeah.
So because base court, they want to allow ama processes wase court ukuthi avaye aphelele, and then Once the court decides to go to guilty, then he can go out. But for now, he's still innocent until they prove that he's guilty.
But what about
that's why he's still in the office.
What about these issues as Rizabo Mamaria?
And then
So
those
question,
ones,
gents.
yeah, let's new Makas lap.
Jabu,
Makas they unchained.
imloyo khona
Khulumela phezulu mfethu.
ngiringela phezulu na
Hayi
njani
ngiyakutshela mana. Just pulling your leg.
hey kunini uliphula le leg yes sesithanda kabi uliphula le leg
Zaziliphume.
zaziliphume nje yabo Jabu.
Okay, sorry, Twana.
so gents, going back to issue yakho Jabu with why amakhrothman angaringi, why are they keeping silent? I think platforms like this are designed to probe, kubuza questions which people are afraid to answer.
Yes, to ask.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
so far, to be quite honest, we were no Mamria who were vocal who are vocal regarding this. Everyone is afraid. Don't you think everything is connected in politiki khona lapha? Angithi we probe here. Let's pose my question.
Yeah.
Don't you think nabo labantu khona something abayitholayo bafethu? There's something wena uyangivotela nje mangiphatha kahle nami ngizokuphatha kahle. Inika scratch your back, scratch your. So I'm thinking mina it has to do bayasaba or maybe threatened or benefit in some way. I'm sure there's a lot of voices in Nota who can fix the problem there. I'm sure there's a lot of voices. Abanga back up when because you're the only one so far who not against but who
I'm not against
raised
that
a concern about
yes. Thank you. It's a
the
concern.
trust, le plena le mali leya. Everyone else is keeping quiet in Nota.
Joe, angeke ngithi mhlambe 100% yeah ipolitiki, but at some point he was a SAFA president. Then he was the mayor. He was the mayor. So ngalokho kimi personal, that's my opinion. I'm not saying injalo. Ngalokho, yes, politics are involved.
Yeah, it's a political game.
Ngalokho nje ukuthi he was a SAFA president, bam appointer ukuyoba mayor.
Deployment kahle. This deployment system, cadre deployment ungathi ingena nasebholweni kahle.
Iyangena. I mean njoba ngishilo, it's just a consent ma South Africa mahle and ma Africa mahle about the state of SAFA. It's only a consent. Please, whoever or consent in South African football ne direction ithathayo, we need to voice these things.
Yeah.
With respect, of course. With respect. Ningangithathi kabi ngiyahlonipha mina. Angikhulisanga nje mina esigangeni. Ngikhuliswe kahle mina. Kodwa ngizikhulisile futhi because ngikhulele estradini from ngintwana. You understand? So ngiyakwazi ukuzikhulumela.
Sure, done.
And ngiyakwazi ukuthi into mayingangiphathi kahle
Uyikhulume.
ngikhulume, but with respect.
Yeah, as someone who loves football, that legacy fund was supposed to improve amakasi wethu, ama-fields wethu. All that money has gone down the drain. Idliwe abantu.
In fact, le ndawo leya iVanderville Makhasi. Bathi uMamre uthi actually the former SAFA CEO Dennis Memble it's there. Why ngiba mention uMamre no Dennis Memble? Because bawayenzile ama interviews kuma TVs and all those things, and basho ukuthi hey he was put under pressure by Uteni Jordan because he was a CEO to buy that thing, that Vandervale.
Yeah.
And but it was supposed to be 40 something million in, but by escalator to 60 something million. Hambe uyoyibona le ndawo Makhasi. Enhle sizoyoshuta lapha ngelilanga ngizocela ikhulu yami noKelezo. Siyoshuta nje la. Nizobona guys ukuthi abantwana bethu abama under 20, abama under 17 abamantombazana ukuthi bathola i-treatment enjani while representing the country. That's where ngivala lapho ngale issue. Ngiyakubona awufuna ukufakaza.
Not ukuthi angifuni ukufakaza. I'm not clued up kakhulu, angilandeleli kakhulu lento le, because even if we speak about it, maybe like Umakas asked, which we need to probe, we need to ask questions in these platforms, but who's listening? Who are we talking to? Who's gonna make that difference? Maybe let's sikhulume nama-Hawks ukuthi okay angibani investigator lakhe ke.
Bazoshanga
You
isibhamu.
understand? Ezinye izinto for mina zizongihlula.
Yeah, no,
You
but
understand?
I thought Makhasi, because of the love South Africa and South African football, because what South Africa has done for me and for my life and for my family.
Yeah.
You understand? I feel ukuthi leadership yethu, yes, they did well, but in the last few years, I feel ukuthi they are betraying the young and up and coming talent, both men and women. That's my feeling.
Already Jabu to become the Steve Biko and the Chris Hani of soccer. Uyazibona ukuthi yapi?
Angiziboni because angikho lapho ngikhuluma into la etafuleni.
Politician. Mamela mina mfethu le kade ni Jordan vele hayi yangikhinya ngoba I don't think I have the power to change anything in that. But as much as sinale platform, maybe someone is listening out there, maybe other journalists would probe and ask more questions ukuthi kube nama investigations towards these things. Maybe if sikhuluma ngayo kanje khona abanye abantu ezobathinta abane power ukuthi ba investigate more.
Yeah, sicela nincedeni South African football. That's my plea. Anincede uJabu. Hayi. Mina ngokaMahlangu, nguRololo noMtali nabasekhaya yibo mina abangigadile. But ngicela please sizameni ukunceda iSouth African football because kuningi mdlali there was issues ngama staff asebenzisa angabhatalwa yabona ziphi lezo imali but no one to cabanga. It's business as usual.
Yeah.
And they know these things, these issues.
Yeah, there's a lot of issues happening.
But it's okay, sikhulumile ngayo. I think bufuna ukuhlafunana intwana
ilo nantwana
yeah,
iChen mfana kune squad seChen mfethu that was chosen njengoba abo Saleng bayodlala da and other players that haven't been playing. And for mina ngiyazibuza ukuthi why these players and what's the purpose of playing this Chen with ama player angadlali. I understand it because for me, if I was maybe technical director yourself, I would have chosen maybe under 23 players to go and play the Chen. You understand? But maybe there's a reason behind, or maybe it's because E-League is on and they are playing this cup, so maybe other teams they are unable to release players. But for me, I would have released players who under 23.
Yeah, no,
We
nalapho
still
I
have under
think
23.
iphi mara sina isafa
Yangithola so
under 23 iphi abo under 20 badlala after how many years? After a long time mdlala. And mabadlala they only go for that camp in preparations. Yabo preparations ziba zincane. So but sizokhuluma mfethu whoever to raise those concerns, but we're not fighting anyone. Asilu nomuntu.
yeah sibuyile ngithi sizolungisa zona le nkinga.
Yeah, and sikhuluma from experience because sidlalile, we know the treatment.
Yes.
Yabona. So please guys, we are talking from experience. And then iChani mdlala kahle i tournament yazi mfana mina kunini ngisebholweni mara eyani. Yeah, isikhathi sesiyaphela mfethu. Yeah, bheka ucoach
Ngilahlela kuye.
My research and chance. So Chen number 1, the kind of players which are chosen lapho. Will open foot. I think khona link la ngifakile. Ama players adlala lapho to start with akusama international player, all local based players. So they choose number 1 from players bala.
So which means just to ngena, which means it's not in the FIFA calendar. I'm just asking.
Angazi lapho.
Because my FIFA calendar, ama team angisho can't refuse to release players.
Yes.
My FIFA calendar, but when it's off FIFA calendar, then it becomes a problem vele to get a top players.
Yeah.
So as to whether kudlaliswa ama player angadlali angazi ukuthi sibakhetha kanjani squad nokuthi wayemkhelela khethele squad esikhethile.
Maru coach uNtseki maye ukhuluma kanjani manje umkhelela?
Kanti isikhetho bani squad lesi?
Skete Umkhelele was involved in selecting players.
He was the one who selected
But
players.
then by change ekugcineni bathi okay. By change ekugcineni but ahamba ngithi yadlala manje mfethu nge21 manje.
Yeah.
FIFA break manje yadlala.
Oh, so that manje.
So but you know he needs to go and focus that
and
side
focus,
and
okay.
Unseki.
Oh no, then
Bafaka lo baba loyo. And then
No, Makasa akuna stress ke mfethu. I think knowledge mfethu sidlafunile indaba namhlanje. Sibuyile bafethu, sibuyile ngepower. Ningakhohlwa bafethu to share, to like, to hit that notification bell bafethu. Kuningi enisazokuthola since senazi ukuthi sesipartnering ne-Betjet. So there's a lot of activities ezwenzeka, especially for you fans. Especially for you fans. We're gonna make sure through our partnership with the Betjet ukuthi we make you happy, nani, because you invest so much in this football and you're not even getting paid. Actually, you are using your money. Abanye bathatha nemali zasendlini ukuya e-stadium yothenga ama merchandise wamaclub wabo nani. So we're gonna make sure ukuthi we also, you know, you are part of Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Lastly, since bengifuna ukuyisho bengifuna ukuthi congratulations to Coach Benny McCarthy for being a Kenya national coach, head coach, and also for bringing in Munib Joseph as the goalkeeper coach. Congratulations, my brother. We wish you all the best. But what's your take on that? Do you think it's a good move? Just it's not something. It's not right or right. Yeah, from someone who Benny's caliber, and with all due respect to Kenya, Kenyan football is not. It's not major. It's not major.
Ngifuna ukusho kanjalo ukuthi for i-CV yakhe it's, I don't know ukuthi izeyilungisa or kanjani, but the profile yakhe ukuthi he has coached a national team, it's good for him. But for the country that he has chosen, angisisho.
It's not make sure.
Yeah, it's not make sure lapho,
but
because
it
might
well.
ilontuzane yakhe, but yeah, we wish him well. We hope ukuthi uzayilungisa i-football yaseKenya, because currently mangiloko ngilandelela ngathi
decline. Decline.
We wish Benny no Munib and the whole technical team yakhe all the best. We hope they will help Kenya
fly our flag, Bafethu. Yes. Fly South African flag, Bafethu.
Exactly.
We believe in you, Benny.
But I think if someone wants to be best, you bring in the best, ain't it?
Yeah.
They wanna improve. So that's why they're bringing a person
which is true.
Benny's caliber.
No, I think
I don't think
right,
it's a
Marcus.
downgrade for him. I think it's a bonus for them because they wanna be best. Mhlambe that's why they could afford utazina simphatalele imali lena.
No, that's a valid point.
Ubani wakho lo we-false kunjobani uMonip.
Yo bakhiphela ama-false
lapha. So I think if you wanna be the best, simply bring in the best.
Thank you.
Sicedile mos ne? Asivale ntwana. Asivale.
Bafethu. Thank you so much. Siyabonga kakhulu. Sithande nokubonga futhi to Sharp, you know, for your support. Yeah. Siya appreciate Bafethu. Gents, that was Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis shuffling Tiski Ringers. I'm your host Jabu Mahlangu and Skoko Sam, my co-host Sibusiso Sense of Knowledge Mahlangu. Adios, Bafethu. We love you.
It's a rap.
It's a rap.
Danko. The boy. Sivali.
That was nice now.